This video is a series of videos on paragraph elements. To learn more about paragraphs, visit SDState.edu how-to under Adding Page Paragraphs. In this video, we'll cover the slider paragraph. A slider is an element for displaying content in an eye-catching and space-saving way. To add a slider to a page, click the Edit button. Then scroll down below the body field. You'll see Page Paragraphs. Click Add Paragraph. In the list, select Slider. This will add fields so that you can create your first slide. There is a field for adding an image, a title, a description, a URL, and a link text. To add an image, click Add Media. From here, you can upload an image by clicking the Choose File, or we can select an image that's already been uploaded to the server. In the title field, enter your title. In the description field, you can enter your description for that slide. And the URL, we'll enter in our URL we want to link to. And in our link text, we'll put in the text we want to display for the link. That will add our first slide. To add another slide, we can click the Add Slide button. This will give us another set of fields to add another slide. You can add as many slides as you would like. However, I would limit the number to no more than 7. Also, for a more eye-catching slider, be consistent in the size of the image and the length of the text for each slide. An odd-sized image and long text in one of your slides can make the slide look awkward. Once you have added all your slides, you can save the page. We have successfully added our slider. In this example, I would like to change the style of the slider. There are 4 different styles. If we scroll back down to the page paragraphs, we can click Edit on Slider. And under that, we can see we have a layout option. There are 4 options: image only, large image and content below, split padded image, and split no padded image. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate these. I'll just duplicate them 4 times for you, and then we'll look at each different style. On the first one, we will use image only. Next one, we'll use image large and content below. On this one, we'll use split padded image. And this one, we'll do no split, no padded image. And we'll click Save. Here's the first one, just the image. Here's the second one with the image and content below. And this one is our split padded image, and then our split no padded image. And that covers how to add sliders to your web page.